Good morning once more. So this is a video that would probably interest a lot of people. It's about your batteries went dead, perhaps on lap, laptop or phone or whatever. So this product is bringing it back to life, resurrecting it from the dead, so to speak. Um, so back to life, as it says. So let's take a watch and listen and see what it's all about.
Simple to follow, and folks already using the easy battery reconditioning program are having fantastic results just following the guide. In case you ever need my, and you can be using it all in as little as 2 minutes from right now. But again, you have to click the Add to Cart button below now to lock in this insanely huge discount. On top of the instant access you're about to get, I'm also going to provide you all of the support and help that you need to make sure you're able to recondition your batteries. That's why when you order now, I'm also going to give you unlimited customer support for life. So while our guide is extremely simple to follow and folks already using the easy battery reconditioning program are having fantastic results just following the guide, in case you ever need my assistance, I'll be here for you. Once you've completed your order today, you'll be given my personal email address so you can get in touch with me if you have any questions at all. But to get started and to lock in this huge discount, you have to click the big Add to Cart button that you see below this video right now. Plus, to make this a no-brainer decision for you, I'm also going to come out of my own pocket and give you a full 60-day, 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. Here's how it works. You just click the Add to Cart button that's below this presentation, enter your information on the next page, and get started now. Then you'll have a full 2 months to use and evaluate our program. During this time, you can go through the whole program, follow the simple instructions, and restore all of the batteries you want. And I guarantee you will be blown away by how easy it is to recondition almost any type of battery with our program. But if you're not happy with your small investment for any reason whatsoever, even if the program works perfectly, but you're just having a bad day, all you have to do is send an email to the email address I'll give you inside the guide, and I will immediately refund your entire purchase with no questions asked. So, in other words, I'm going to take on all of the risk here, which means you have nothing.
Okay, so this guy's a phenomenal salesman, great orator, very clear and concise what the product is. Yeah, it was right. You can get your money back. It's hosted in ClickBank, 60 days. Don't like it straight away. They say 10 to 14 days, but my experience, it's usually the next day in your account. The ClickBank, I'm not sure if it's a week or a month, but they um, send millions of dollars in commission. They're huge. They've kind of got the reputation of Amazon and things like that. They're processing a lot of orders, so that's that. So bring back all batteries to life, and that's it. So it's not a big sales page. It's quite clear what it is. So your sections for this video to get this kind of product, but also if you want a business, an online business that's something really special, then take a look at that also, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.